Hi y'all, welcome back to Cooking the East House. I hope everybody had a blessed and wonderful Easter. And dogs are trying to knock me over. Anyway, let's make spaghetti. Bobby's craving it. Let's make it. I already have the oven preheated at 350 degrees. So let's start with some garlic. This is garlic for our garlic bread, which I bought from the HB Bakery. And I did not make it myself, but we're making garlic bread. Peel these. Okay, garlic is peeled. Now I have here 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And some oil. And there's your butter. We're gonna add some sea salt. Some crushed black peppercorn. We'll go ahead and add just a little bit of Italian seasoning. I will add more later. Wrap that up into a bowl, y'all. We're gonna pop that in the oven and let it bake. I just drained one 2.5 ounce can of black olives and one, well that's small, 6.5 ounces of mushrooms. I'll put them over here. We're gonna be needing those later. All right, let's finally get cooking here. I got 2 medium yellow onions. I'm on the lazy side here. I'm gonna be using my Ninja Foodie processor thing, whatever you call that. Just taking this off. I tell you, it's a darn shame. When I broke my leg, all my worms in my compost bin did not make it. I'll get some more. We're just roughly chopping this because it's going in there. And we do the other one. We do the same to the other. That's good enough. That's all I need. We're gonna want 1/4 cup of olive oil. We're gonna put this on a medium-low heat, so maybe 3. In between 3 and 4, medium-low heat. Over here, I have, well, it's our meat straining. We're using water buffalo today. It's 2 pounds of water buffalo hamburger meat. I got 2 cans of San Marzano style tomatoes. They're both 28-ounce cans. We're gonna drain these. Keep your cans. Just let those hang out in the sink for a little bit. Here's some onions and that warm oil. I took the blade out and I'm trying not to get knocked over by dogs. Just gonna let them cook. Let them cook down. While these are cooking down, this is our tomatoes. I'm gonna give them a mish, just so they're not too mushy. But I don't want to put them through the Ninja processor there and make them like parade. Might as well just buy stuff from a can if I want to do that, right? So, just squish them up a little bit. That's good. Wash my hands and change my gloves. Before I forget to tell you, let me do it now. This is our seasonings. I've got 1 1/2 teaspoon of basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and parsley. 1 1/2 teaspoons of each. That's what's in there. It's not yet, but that's what we're going to be using. Okay, these onions have been sauteed for a little bit. Let's go ahead and add some more stuff to it. Here's some crushed black peppercorn. It's to your taste, and I add more as we go. Here's some crushed sea salt. I have 5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Speaking of garlic, I need to pull that garlic out of that oven. It's probably done. It's been in there for an hour. All right. And let's stir this. We don't want the garlic to burn. We're going to let it cook for 1 more minute with the garlic in. Okay. Now we're going to add, if you remember, I told you earlier, I drained these olives and mushrooms. They're going in there too. Let's join the party, folks. Come on. Get in there. You don't have to add that. That's optional, but I like that in my spaghetti. I like mushrooms and olives. Now it's time to add our meat. Let's cook our meat. This is 2 pounds of drained water buffalo hamburger meat. We processed it ourselves. Which, by the way, was cold. So it's going to bring the temperature way down, which is fine because it helps stop the garlic from cooking and burning. Let's let that cook until it's done. We're still on a low medium. I could turn it up a little bit, speed it up. Let's go to medium. Let's take this out. It's been in there for a minute. Now put it over here. That's our garlic, butter garlic for our bread. Just cook. Once the meat's done, then we're gonna add the tomatoes and our seasonings. And I need to find the lid of this thing. Let me go look for that. While we're here, let's go ahead and add a little bit more sea salt. We're layering this stuff in, y'all. There's some black peppercorn. And there's Bob. We're gonna add 1 cup white wine. Give that a stir. We're on medium. And we're cooking. Meat's done. Do it just a touch longer. Make sure it's all the way done, which I know it is, but anyway. Then we're gonna add some more. We're gonna go ahead and start our noodles. Just using regular spaghetti noodles today. Got a large bag. I will not be using all of this. Let's start with adding some salt to this. Let's go ahead and turn it on and get it to a boil. And let's bring this back up to a medium. And let's continue. Okay, our temperature's back up. We've got 1 6-ounce jar of tomato paste. And that's going in. Yeah, it's going in there. Just mix that in. Let's add our tomatoes. We're still on a medium. Now we're gonna add some more sea salt to taste. And more fresh black peppercorn. Now remember what I told you about the seasonings? They're in the description. There's all of them. Let's put those in. Here's some fresh basil. Give that a mix. We're gonna go ahead and put this on a simmer. Let's put a lid on it. We're gonna let that simmer for about 30 minutes. Stirring occasionally while we work on the noodles and our garlic bread. Water's boiling. Let's add our noodles. Fold in there, guys. All right, we're still boiling, so we're gonna set a timer for 11 minutes. Let those cook. Don't forget to keep stirring this occasionally. Doesn't that look awesome? Yes, it does. Here in a minute, I want to let it give it a few more minutes. We're going to taste it and make sure it doesn't need anything else. Well, noodles still have 5 more minutes to go. Noodles are done. Give a little spritz of olive oil. Keep them off the heat. Put them over here, away from the heat. Noodles are done. Let's go ahead and turn this off. I'm gonna give that a good hefty taste in here. Oh, it smells good. Still gotta do my bread. Not done yet. Oh yeah. That's good. Mm-hmm. Let's open up this. Remember this? We made this. Butter, garlic, roasted in the oven. Yumminess. Smoosh it up. We're gonna make a paste out of it. Delicious yumminess, garlic pastiness. Yes. Let's make some garlic bread. The oven ready at 350 degrees. And this is some bread I got from HEB. I think it's called a French bread. I don't know, they make it fresh every day. And I don't have a bread knife. So let's see if I don't butcher this. I'm trying to butcher it. That's for damn sure. Sorry, that's for darn sure. I'm trying to butcher it. This knife is useless. Hey. There we go. The oven's set at 350 degrees. It's ready. Just waiting on me. Just some olive oil spray. I forgot my parchment paper. That's all right. Give it a spritz on this side too. There's a lot of garlic in there, but we're gonna start with just spread some stuff on here. See what we can spread on. Smells really good. Oh yeah. Awesome. These are just some pickled jalapenos. I'm gonna put pickled jalapenos. Yes. I'm gonna leave some of this without any, just because my tummy's just not feeling that today, but that's okay. It's delicious, trust me. Sharp cheddar cheese. This is just the cheese I had, so that's what I'm using. And a little bit of Italian seasoning go on top. This is going in the oven at 350 until basically melted, because the bread's done. That's all we're doing. Melting cheese. Like a plate. Touch more basil on top. And then I have some fresh Parmesan cheese. We're gonna grate on top. Yes. I literally had this in the oven for like 5 minutes at 350. Done. Let me find a knife that works. Yummy, delicious spaghetti dinner. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow us along. Leave us a comment. And we'll see you soon.